Welcome back to Bill's, well, it's actually Crazy Bill's Garage. And hey, today I am starting work on the Toyota Previa. First of all, though, I got to get this radiator out of here. And I have to check to see if there's power to the fan motor not fan motor, but the heater motor, to see if there's power to it so I can put the heater fan back in and hopefully it'll work. First, I got to drain this radiator and get this old beat up radiator out of here. I did buy a new radiator for it, so hey, things are coming along slightly. So let me get to that. Well, there we go. I think I got her all out. And I'm going to pull this old beat up radiator out of here. I'm going to need two hands for this. So, I got to get something to hold the hood. There we go. Now, I don't know if I have to move this out of the way. You know what? I think I got to move that out of the way. So I will move the coolant, reservoir out of the way. Yeah, one of the first things I got to do is make sure I get this thing to be able to be cooled. So, yeah, got to take care of the small things first before I can take care of some of the big things. Got to make sure she runs right before I do any of the other crazy things in here I'm gonna do. There we go. Got that out of the way. And the red should just lift right out. Oh, it's an old heavy beast of a... I think it's copper brass with... yeah, it's an old copper brass. A good old Toyota. It's an original radiator. I did have a new one in here before I hit the deer. So, but look at all the room I got in there now to fool around in there. So, that's good because I got to get that blower motor working. So next on the agenda will be to see if I got power to... Oh, there's a squirrel. Yeah, startled me. See if there's power to the blower motor switch. It's just the oil recovery thing pumping oil into the engine. But I don't see any power to that switch. I guess I'll have to check the fuses and things. I don't have many here. But I think they're all inside. So I'll have to check those. Dang. Fuse stuff. Oh no. Well, I checked them. They seem fine. I guess I'm going to have to do some more checking. So, everything is clicking now. I changed a couple of things. I changed these two. These two are for the heater, and one of them wasn't working, so everything is clicking now, but I'm still getting no power here. So, I don't know if I can get you down there and take a look. Oh, yeah, I can. See that box there? I replaced that a few years ago. And I'm not sure if that's working up to snuff. So, I'm going to check to see if there's power going to that. And if there is, then it's going to be that. And I'll have to order a new regulator for it. So it's like, dang it. If if that was the only problem, then that wasn't really too bad. First, I'm going to stick this in. There we go. And we'll see if she spins. I don't think she will, but we'll see if she spins. Nothing, right? Nothing at all. No. Okay. Well, then we got to get into that and check to see if there's power getting down there, because there's power up top. So let us see if we get any power at that connector down here. This connector right here. Nothing. 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 Dang it. I got no power down there. Okay. I got some more figuring to do. Okay, we might be getting somewhere. I'm not sure. This is a breaker for the Toyota Previa. It's in the dash where all the fuses are. It's a breaker for the heater motor. Now, I'm going to test this to see if we have zeros. So there's zeros on this one. And it's just by chance. I looked, and I have another one. And this one is a lot better shape. The other one's probably original. And this one, come on. Oh, crap. And this one has some ohms on it. So could this be the problem? I don't know. I'm going to put it in and see. But this is just a 40 amp breaker. And yeah, that's all it is for the heater motor. So we're going to watch that light. I'm going to put the breaker in and we're going to see, hopefully, it'll work after this, because there is power going to this breaker. Hey, did the light come on? No, it did not, because I did not plug in the other thing. That was stupid of me. But, do we have power to this now? No. 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 Ah, great. No. We still don't have power. Okay, I guess gotta do some more looking. Dang. Well, here's the thing. I haven't figured this out yet. And I don't have the time to do this because I'm going on vacation real soon. And check power at the fuses on the inside. And they are all good. Everything is good at the relays. And new radiator. And everything's good. That's the... oh, you saw it. I forget the name of it. I've been working hard here. This one's for low speed, high speed, and let's see. It's there's not really any fuses. It's all just these kind of things here. So, and it has power, and it's clicking. So, here, I'll let you hear it. So, it clicks on. And it's clicking on. And then for the high speed, it's clicking on. So, they're working. It's just the power isn't getting to where it's supposed to go. So, I'm guessing something underneath the dash here has chewed up a wire, or something's going on, and I gotta dig right into this thing and figure out, I don't want to, what's going on here. But that'll be at a later date. I just don't have time to do that right now. And this heater here, I gotta get it working if I want to use this in the winter. And yeah, because this thing used to blow great heat. This was just a great heat vehicle. It blew good heat. It was really, it's just, you know, it's my vehicle. I like it. I like this old, well, what do you call these things? A jalopy? But it would carry so much junk, which it is now, which I got to clean out. And there's so many other things I got to do to this. Maybe not all at once. Maybe I just want to get her back on the road right now. And I got a headlight idea that should work out just fine. I'm hoping. I haven't test fit them or anything. Darn, I should have did that. But that'll do her for this one. This is my first one. I'm trying to restore the Toyota Previa, and it's not going as well as I liked it would. So hopefully I can get this all figured out and get this all pulled apart and see if there's any broken wires or any mouse chewed wire or something that goes down there, as I'm sure something is stopping power from getting to the blower motor. All right, thanks for watching. At least I hope you enjoyed this. This one will be out Monday instead of an oil review video, because I just don't have time for those as much. And I will continue on with this.